Enabling Smart Invert on your iPhone 16 helps reduce eye strain and provides a comfortable viewing experience by reversing display colors while preserving media content's original appearance. Here's how to configure Smart Invert. First, swipe up from the bottom of your screen to get back to the home screen. From the home screen, tap on the Settings icon. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Next, tap on Display and Text Size. Once you're in the display settings, scroll down until you find Smart Invert. Finally, toggle the switch next to Smart Invert to turn the feature on or off. When enabled, Smart Invert reverses the colors on your iPhone's display, making it easier to see content on bright backgrounds. It intelligently preserves the original colors of images, media, and apps that use dark color styles, providing a more visually comfortable experience. Should you wish to change this setting, just repeat the same steps to return to the Accessibility Settings menu and apply necessary changes to the Smart Invert option. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.